Thank you so much for watching. Again, watching. Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have another of my weekly stamping nail art tutorial videos for you. This week's theme for our Facebook stamping group is the 4 elements. That means air, water, wind and earth. And I decided to go only with one of the elements, even though it was very tempting for me to do all 4 of them. But then when I was going over through my stamping plates, I did find one that I found that was really cute and I really wanted to use for today's manicure. I will leave for you everything in the description box, all the details and all the links to those ladies who joined this collab, and I will also have their pictures at the end of my video, so make sure to check them all out after you finished watching my tutorial. Of course, if you do like this video, then don't forget to thumbs it up for me. And if you are coming from one of these channels that joined or you just found me, then welcome. I hope you like what you see here, and if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, so now I will jump straight into the tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, leave them for me in the comment section, and I believe that's it. So keep watching my tutorial. Thank you so much guys for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.